So, solve natin. What is the percentage increase from 90% to 120%? So, tandaan guys, sa topic na percentage change, tandaan ha, percentage change. Ang formula natin dito is palaging new minus old over old. Okay? New minus old over old. Okay? So, ano yung new number natin dito? Ang new number natin is 120. Ang old number natin is 90. Okay? So, percentage change tayo. Solve natin. So, ang new number natin is 120 minus old. Ang old natin is 90 over old. Again, ang old natin is 90. Okay? So, compute. 120 minus 90, that is 30 over 90. Okay? So, simplify natin guys. Makakancel yung 0. So, we have 3 over 9. Alam naman natin, ang 3 over 9, pwedeng i-divide by, tawag dito, pwedeng i-lowest term, no? Divide mo parehas by 3. Tama? Ang 3 over 9, that is 1/3. Ano ba yung 1/3? Ang 1/3 guys, dapat common na yan sa inyo eh, no? That is a common fraction. Ang equivalent niyan is 0.33. Di ba? Yan ang equivalent niyan. So, ang sagot natin dito is 33.33%. Okay? Kasi move mo yan eh, para maging percent, move mo 2 beses, that is 33.33%. Coach, paano naging 0.333? Kung hindi kayo familiar dun sa fraction, pwede nyo i-divide, no? 1 divided by 3. So, 1 divided by 3, 0. So, maglalagay ka ng, add ka ng 0 dyan, di ba? So, bring down 0. So, 10 divided by 3, 3. So, 3 times 3, 9. Repetition lang po yan. So, palagi kayong mag-a-add ng 0. So, laging 3, 3 po yung lalabas dyan. Okay? So, then, ang kailangan natin, percentage. Kaya ang gagawin nyo, i-move nyo yung decimal point ng 2 beses. So, magiging 33.33%. Okay? So, ang sagot is letter C. Yan. Nakuha po ba? Lahat nga na nakakuha ng sagot, type G.